Bethany, don't shove that up his nose.
I think he likes the doctor.
Bethany, don't shove stuff in his mouth or up his nose.
I get him medicine. Do you want medicine? Okay.
Are you playing doctor with him?
Yeah, I'm playing doctor. He got hungry. Mommy, Josh was good at the doctor today.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
He was really good at the doctor. He was not crying at the doctor. He was just sick. That's why he was good at the doctor. He was crying at the doctor. Either he not get shots. No shots, okay.
He didn't get any shots today.
I'm gonna give him shots. Which one is shot? This one's shot. We need a